Alden with your day sa Bibining Idagan Coronation Night, and kumanta pa nga si Alden.
Pag alam niyo po yung kanta, pwede po kayo sumabay. Let's go!
Yun part 2.
Desire believe when I say I want it that way. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way.
May kagaguluhan dyan si Alden eh. Sabi gusto magpa-picture at makalapit kay Alden.
And I just can't get you off my mind. Nobody knows I'm hiding inside. I
Yun
know
ang
some
ating
shit
kuya.
that I can find. The courage to
Nakatalong
show,
taon.
to letting you know I've never felt so much love.
Invite yung mga audience.
I'm thinking about it, taking the easy way out. But if I let you go, I will never know what life would be holding you close to me. Will I ever see you smiling back at me? How will I know if I let you go?
Dahil mga security nakapaligid kay Alden eh. Yan ay pagkamayan pa sa mga audience. Mga tao dyan.
Feel it too, and no matter what I do, I feel the
Kaya
pain.
nakalapit pa.
Without it, baby, I
So
cannot
pakayakapin si Alden
understand.
eh. Grabe yan eh.
Just why we can't be lovers, we can't wait.
Kanya-kanyang selfie oh.
If you want me to let me know, staring at my heart when I'm with you. But when we are apart, feel it too. And no matter what I do, I feel the pain. With the way
Kanya
I
silang
do.
selfie, picture kay Alden. Ayan.
Just a smile and the way it's done.
Nakapalibutan na si Alden.
Yeah. There's
Mga
an angel
security.
standing next to me, reaching for my heart. Know that I'll be okay. I lay my love on you. It's all I wanna do.
Babalik na si Alden sa
Every
stage.
time I breathe, I feel brand new. You open up my heart, show me all your love, and walk right through. As I lay my love on you, it's all I wanna do. Every time I breathe, I feel brand new. You open up my heart, show me all your love, and walk right through. As I lay my love on you, as I lay my love on you.
Yun oh. Alden
Thank you
Richard.
so much. Maraming salamat po, and syempre hindi naman po magiging posible yung pagpunta ko po dito if not
Ayan, pagbati
for
ni
these
Alden.
people po na nag-imbita sa akin. So,
Mga nag-imbita sa kay Alden
happy Mamang, paano ba yung tama? Mamanggi? Tama po ba yun? Mamanggi Festival po sa inyong
Mamanggi
lahat.
Festival.
And of course to our City Mayor,
24.
Dr. Jose Marie L. Diaz. Andyan po ba si Mayor? Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for having us sa inyong tahanan po para mag-dinner. And of course po, to City Vice Mayor Kit Bello. Andyan po si Vice. Vice! Thank you, Vice. And sa lahat po ng member ng Sangguniang Panglungsod, maraming salamat po. And the Director General and number 1 City Councilor, Dr. J.B. Diaz. Doc, thank you, Doc. Salamat sa napakasarap po na pagkain kanina. And sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And it's an honor to be here. Maraming salamat po. And with that, ito po.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more updated po ang Char Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for what